Today, let's talk about Rent with an Option program. This is an amazing program that allows you to rent the house that is listed for sale, and you will get an option to buy it. When I say option, I mean not requirement, but an option. You get to test drive the house before you buy it. And guess what? If you don't like it, you can move out. You do need to sign 1-year lease agreement, and you can renew your lease in 1-year increments for up to 5 years. To qualify for the program, your credit score needs to be 550 or above. Your combined household income needs to be $50,000 or more. You cannot have any disqualifying criminal history or pending bankruptcies, or of course foreclosures as well. Next thing that they want is they will request 2-month security deposit, and they want to see this amount in your checkings or savings within the last 2 months. For example, you want to rent the house that is $1,000 a month. They need to see $2,000 in your checkings or savings within the last 2 months. The documents that you will need is income verification, last 2 pay stubs, and most recent W-2s. For all the business owners, you will need last 2 quarters of profit and loss statements. You will also need your most recent tax returns. So how the program works? Very easy. First, you get to pre-qualify. Once you pre-qualified, we're gonna meet up and talk about what kind of property you're looking for, where you want to be located. I will send you the list of the houses. It's gonna be the houses that are listed for sale that you can see on Remax.com, Trulia, Zillow, my website, martapilip.com. The only thing, the houses need to be in the qualifying area with the program. And as well, the house needs to pre-qualify. What do I mean by that? The house needs to be less than 100 years old. It needs to be in good condition. It cannot be located near the railroad tracks, major streets, highways, or commercial properties. It cannot have any asbestos, toxic mold. It cannot have a pool. It cannot have any in-law suites. Other than that, the property qualifies. You pick the house that you like, and after that, I'm going to work with the program on buying the property. You're going to have to sign the 1-year lease agreement, and in that lease agreement, you will also see the price of how much it would be if you want to buy this house. Be careful because each year this price will increase by 3.7%, as well as each year you renew your lease, your rental amount will increase by 3.7% as well. After you sign the lease agreement, me and the program, we're going to put an offer on this house. This is a cash offer, so we can close as soon as 3 weeks. However, it usually takes about a month. After that, you move in, you live for at least 1 year. If you decide to move out and the property is still in good shape, nothing is broken, it's not ruined, you get your good faith deposit back and you can move out. You can also choose to renew your lease, like I said, in 1-year increments for up to 5 years. And anytime during your tenancy, you get an option to buy this property. There is a $75 application fee. So please listen to all the qualification and requirements from the program. That way you don't have to waste $75. If you think you don't have, your credit history is not at 550, you should not apply. Wait until it's 550 and then apply, because you're running the risk of losing that $75 fee. If it's okay with you and you still want to try, and you're okay with, in case you don't get qualified and you're okay with running the risk of losing $75 fee, then that's okay as well. What you should do to get started, simply let me know and I will send you the link with an invitation to the program to start the application. On that link, you will also find houses that are available through this program. You can create your login. You don't have to apply right away. You can apply once you think you are ready. But meanwhile, you can browse, look at the houses, read everything, do your research, and find out about the program a little bit more. Let's talk about pros and cons for this program. The first benefit is you get to test drive the house before you buy. Or if you're new to the area, you get to test drive the area before you buy. The other benefit is the price of the buyout to buy out this property is locked in. So you can predict during your first year tenancy, for example, you can start looking for the houses and see what the prices are. If this is still a good deal, the price, for example, market skyrockets and all the rest of the houses are very expensive, but you still have this price that's locked in. So good for you, you can buy out for this locked in price. On the other hand, for example, if the value of the properties go down and you see that the same kind of houses are listed for less, you also benefit from it because you only have 1 year lease agreement. At the end of your tenancy, you can simply move out and buy a different property. Or if you didn't like the area, you pick a different area that you like and you buy there, or you can go again, rent with an option to buy route. What are the cons? The cons is usually if you compare rent with an option to buy monthly fee with mortgage monthly fee on the same exact property, the mortgage monthly fee would be less than rent with an option to buy. This is the con. So I always talk to my clients and explain the situation so you can choose for yourself. However, I think this is the next best option if you cannot get mortgage, because this is a traditional rent. However, it gives you options. It acts as a safety net. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and comment below with any questions or actually suggestions for the next videos for me. As well, you can call and email me with any real estate questions. Thank you and have a nice day.